You guys ready to get in the movie?
This is how we made The Sound of Violet, day 7. Okay, let's get this before the pirate ship arrives.
All right, here we go.
It's been a pretty crazy day so far. We're outside all day at Gasworks Park. As we were getting set up for another shot, this huge pirate ship starts coming across the water and try to ruin one of our key shots. I remember just having a director meltdown moment internally where I just thought, if I have to throw a Molotov cocktail at this ship, whatever I have to do to get this ship out of here, because it was the only time that we could film these scenes on this particular day. And thankfully, they eventually did agree to leave, but it was very scary. It's been a long day of filming a lot of scenes here. This is one of the key locations in the movie. It has a lot of symbolism tied to the park.
I'm Ruth, and I'm the grandmother. She's just wants to find him a girlfriend because she's not going to be here forever, but would love to find somebody that he would be able to love. So it's a love story. Don't ever stop looking for that special someone. She's out there. Ruth coaches him on what to do, and then she just thinks he's falling in love with a disaster.
Action!
I'd never turns out the way you expect. It's one of the last things my grandpa told me. He also told me to always bring an extra pair of pants whenever we played miniature golf in case I got a hole in one, but I was always very careful.